Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a really fun one. We are digging into the YSL Couture Clutch palette in Saharienne. And so there are 10 colors there. I'm gonna give you two different looks, one on each eye, and I'm gonna get through most of these shadows between the two eyes. So if you wanna see how this all came together and what this incredibly chic thing is on my head, just keep watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it when you do. Now let's jump in. Okay guys, before we begin, I have to talk about my Breezy Tee product of the day. I'm wearing our Silk Twill skinny scarf and our Splatter print, and all of our printed Silk Twill skinny scarves, actually all of our printed and not, are double-sided, so there are different things going on each side. So this one has more of the pink story, which I thought met the brief. And I'm not gonna flip it around today, but the other side is chartreuse and navy. Same splatter idea, different layout of the splatter print, but it's in navy and chartreuse. And so this is more the magenta, mauve, pink side. So they are Silk Twill. Silk Twill is the standard in luxurious silk products from all the famed fashion houses around the world. And I love these things. You can wear them on your bag. You can wear them on your hair, your wrist. You can wear them on your sandals. People get very, very creative with it. So if you want to check these out, any of our Silk Twill skinny scarves, you can visit us at breezytee.com or our Etsy shop, and the links will be in the description below. Okay, let's jump into this video. I'm super excited. Today is all about the YSL Couture Colour Clutch. Okay, look at this beauty. This is one of the best decisions they've made with YSL Beauty, to turn these makeup palettes into a clutch. This is just dope, 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 dope. And I have loved the idea since the beginning, but this is the first one that really caught my eye. This is the Saharienne Color Story. So pretty, new one from them. This is so pretty. I love these colors. We'll be swatching them in a second. And I just thought that the color story was really beautiful. Okay, comes with a nice big mirror. This is a nice substantial weight. So I'm digging this a lot. Yeah, this is it. This is the video. We're gonna try on these eyeshadows. We're gonna swatch, and we're gonna talk about how they perform. So let's get to swatching. Here are the 10 eyeshadows from the YSL Couture Clutch palette in Saharienne. Okay, so this is my first YSL full palette. I've had singles. I've never really gotten a palette. The colors, just things didn't grab me. This is the first one that really grabbed me and made me want to have it, the color story. And my first impression is how incredibly pigmented this palette is. It's really pigmented, okay? And the other thing I got was you have a lot of different colors to play with. So I thought I would do the same on both eyes, but now I'm thinking I'm gonna just try two different looks on each eye, one on each eye, and see what we can come up with. I was really pleasantly surprised by how easily it's swatched and how pigmented they are. So I'm hoping they don't give any problems on the eyes, but if they do, I'll report back. So I'm actually excited to try these on. So we'll try one look on this eye, one look on this eye, and try to get as many colors from this palette as we can. Let's go. unintentionally, I ended up making two very complimentary eyes. I was trying to do two different looks, but it's a good accident to have happened, because now you can see how complimentary everything is. I actually went in with the mauve and more fuchsia color on this eye, okay? And you see that more pinky, and I put one of the light colors in the brow bone and in the tear duct. And then this eye, I went with the red, that rusty color, and the gold. The gold is pretty much all over everything on top of it, and I think I like this eye a little bit better. And I'm not into red and gold combos, but I really like how this turned out. Very pretty. I also brought the red and gold down below, and the other really light color I put in the brow bone. So I used most of the colors, so you have a lot to play with. Yes, all the colors are actually complementary, so you can mix and match as you see fit. Or you can do more singular color stories or two color stories to really emphasize just two. But really complimentary palette. And for a first go with a YSL palette, very pleasantly surprised by how easily everything blended out, especially the mattes. I always say it, I judge a palette by its mattes, or brand by its mattes. So the mattes really did blend out easily and seamlessly. So this was a good one. I'm really happy that this was my first clutch palette. And of course, you can always wear this as a bag and no one needs to know any different until you have to touch up, okay? Super cute. Really one of my favorite creative ideas for a palette. They did a really nice job. Okay, so that's it for me, guys. Let me know what you think. What do you think of the finished look? What do you think of the colors in this palette? And tell me if you've grabbed one of your own YSL Couture clutches. YSL Yves Saint Laurent. I don't know if I said the name, just in case someone does not know what YSL stands for, Yves Saint Laurent. Let me know if you got one of these palettes or if you plan on getting one. I just recently saw the holiday one that's coming out, and to me the colors look very similar to this Saharienne palette, so it'll be a pass for me. I'll be enjoying this one. I'm happy with this one, but let me know if you got one, which one is your favorite palette. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love conversing with you guys. I love hearing your ideas and us exchanging comments, so keep that going. And of course, if you want to check out any of our silk twill skinny scarves, t-shirt, hair towel wrap, satin line beanies, satin line knit beanies, our other silk and linen hair accessories, just visit us at breezytee.com or our Etsy shop. Again, links will be in the description below. I will check you guys in the next video. Ciao for now. Bye.